Hi, let's start W linked list. So in W linked list, in a node there are three parts. One is left link, one is data, one is right link. So the name is W linked list because there are two double link. In single linked list there is just one link for the next node, but here there are two links for the previous node and for the next node. Okay, so that's why the name is W linked list. So doubly linked list it take more data than the single linked list because here for left link, for right link, for data means what is the size of data, it will store 3 times. Okay. So next is self-referential structure of doubly linked list. In doubly linked list there will be three part. So we'll struct node, then struct denote left link. So left link for this, then character data or int, whatever the data type data, then struct node right link, pointer right link, then struct node head, there will be one head pointer as single linked list and that will point to the first node. So in doubly linked list, there will be two link, one for the previous node, another for the next node. So this is an example of doubly linked list. So doubly linked list, for every node there will be one forward and another backward. So and the first node left part is null and last node right part is null. These are the basics of doubly linked list. Let's do some operation on doubly linked list like insertion and deletion. So next to insertion. So void insert leftmost character X. So suppose you want to insert at leftmost. Suppose you want to insert some node here. Then how will you do? So first is struct denote then pointer n get node. So here we'll create a node and that name will be n, and so that will get node, and n data equal to x, so that data will be x. Then n left link equal to null, so this left link will be null. Then n right link equal to l. So previously l was holding 10, means l was, this was l. N right link will be l, so now this will point to l. Okay, so then L left link equal to n, so this was L, so L left link will be n. Next L equal to n, so previously L was holding 10, so now suppose here address is 40, now it will hold 40 and L will point to n. So this is just about void inserting leftmost, so just three pointer is changing. So next insert a node to the right of m. So and here some m is mentioned, where m is some middle node and all step will be according to the new node. Suppose so one pointer is pointing to some node m and you want to insert something after m, then how will insert? So just see, let this will be m. Okay, so then void insert middle, then struct denote n get node. So let this is some node n and will get denote means will get, and data will be x. So here data will be x, then n left link will be m. So here n, that left link will be m. Then n right link will be m right link. So m right link is this. So now n right link will be m right link. Okay, so now this will be cancelled. So m, whatever the m right link, that will be n right link. Then n left link right link equal to n. So this is n left link is this. So n left link right link will be n. Then n right link left link will be n. So here n right link is this left link will be n. So now this will also cancel. So this is all about how you can insert a node n and if there is a node some m, and if you want to insert some new node n to the right of m. I think you guys are clear. So whatever given according to that, this is just the basic, you can change the code. So next we will do the delete. So how can delete a node if leftmost, or suppose you want to delete leftmost. This is a doubly linked list. You want to delete the leftmost node, means you want to delete this. Okay, so for so this is L. So L equal to L right link. So previously this was L, so now this will be L. So then free L left link. So now this is new L. So this is left link, means this node will free. Then L left link will be null. So this was 10 previously, this will be null. So this is all about the delete from the leftmost node. So now void delete middle. So now we'll do void delete middle. So suppose this is the M and you want to delete this. So I will delete. So M left link. So this is M left link. That right link will be M right link. Okay. So M left link, right link will be M right link, means this will point to this. Then M right link, left link. So this is M, that right link is this, that left link will be M left link, means this. So now the link is changed. Now we'll just free. So now free M. So now this will be free. As we link change, so now this will, so this is just the delete. I think you guys understood insertion and deletion are very easy. So next we will do circular doubly linked list. So in circular doubly linked list has a both property of circular and doubly linked list. Means here the previously the first node and the last node, these first node left part and last node right part, that was null. So that will just change. Here one link will be added, that will be circular doubly linked list, like single linked list and circular linked list. So here doubly linked list and circular doubly linked list. So the last node point to the first node by the next pointer, and also the first node point to the last node by the previous pointer. So this is the example of circular linked list. Here it was null. So now here we added the address of the first node. So like here it have the address of first node, and the first node, that next node point to, that previous node point to the last node. So last node next node point to the first node, and first node previous node point to the last node. So this is just the change in circularly doubly linked list, and rest everything is same like doubly linked list, insertion, deletion, everything. So just this is the change. So this is all about the linked list. Next we will discuss the previous year question. So thank you.